Hello and welcome back. Now that you have learned how to create a pivot table and create different kinds of layouts, let's see how this can be useful to take certain business decisions. Let's begin our analysis from sales executive's point of view. And who should we choose? Let's first sort this data. So I'm going to click on sales executive's down arrow button over here. Select more sort options and choose descending order. And in this option, I'm going to select the field sum of amount and click OK. So this table is now organized in descending order of the total sales done by various sales executives. So Betty is the top sales executive of this company, and let's select her to see what insights the data gives us. Obviously, the sales manager is not going to give Betty the entire pivot table report because it has the entire company data. He is going to give reports specific to Betty. So let's see how he is going to create various reports for Betty. We are going to go to the pivot table fields dialog box, remove sales executive field from rows area and put it back to filters area. And the first report that we are going to generate for Betty is customer wise sales. So we are going to bring customer field from filters area and put it in rows area. So now we have prepared a customer wise month wise report for Betty. So the sales manager is going to copy this information and put it in a different sheet to be given to Betty. The second report that we would consider is brand wise report for Betty, and for that we are going to remove the customer field from rows area, put it back in filters and pick the brands field and bring it in the rows area. So now what we have is brand wise report. We are going to prepare another Excel sheet which has only brand wise details, and the third report that we will create is brand wise customer wise report. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove the month field which we had for the previous two report in the columns, bring it back to filters area, put brands in the column area and put customer in rows. And now what we have is customer wise brand wise report, and we are going to copy this information and put it here for Betty. So now that we have three different worksheets which are given to Betty, we will work on these sheets and analyze the data further.